just approaching Toy Story Land. We are super excited. We have a fast pass booked for Toy Story Mania. So this is the way. This is on the right hand side of the park. So that is just Slinky Dog Dash we can see there in the distance. So we're super excited. It's a lovely sunny day here in Orlando. So we're going to ride Toy Story. Hiya! Hi! We are in Toy Story Land at the moment and we are having such a fantastic time. That is the Alien spinning ride. We've not been on that one yet. But just up there we have a fast pass booked for Slinky. We've just had something to eat in this really gorgeous Toy Story themed castle. I'm so tired. Cafe. Oh god, I'm still jet lagged I think. And we are going to walk down here and see if we can meet Woody or one of the Toy Story characters. Okay, but it is themed really nice. Loads of bright colours. It's a fantastic land in Disney Hollywood Studios. Hi Jake!
Oh, you're a broken toy, just like Bo! You're both broken toys! Well,
Got
Woody used to be
Woody
broken
and
toys.
we've got Buzz.
Just one.
Buzz and Woody.
Present family, let's come around with the okay, right? And then I can have you come around.
Said Andy's coming.
Where's your hat, buddy?
Where's his hat? We have just seen Woody and Bo Peep. We had a really great time. This one dressed up as Woody. He's put his Woody t-shirt back on now, but you did have a Woody. There's Slinky Dog, that's what I was waiting for. There he is. So my husband and eldest son have just gone on Slinky Dog, so we were just waiting here and just calling off. But yes, so we put our costumes on and we met Bo Peep and Woody. And we're having a great time. It is super hot here. So we are finding it really hot, so we are having to have loads of little rest breaks. We are back again in Toy Story Land. That's the Alien spinning ride. We are just in the queue for Jessie at the moment. And Daddy is over there in the queue for Woody. There's Slinky Dog Dash. Okay, bye. are just going through the main part of Hollywood Studios, so I thought I would just film very, very quickly. We're going to go and have some lunch now at somewhere called ABC Commissionery. We're super happy. We've done everything we wanted to in Toy Story Land, and we're excited about some more rides.
Join me. It is your destiny.
Show me again the power of the darkness. But I will let nothing stand in our way.
Sabers down. Kids, anyone know why a Jedi might duck? Why would he duck? Anyone? Have any idea at all? Yes, finally. Tell me. Exactly right, or you get struck by the dark side. Looks like you've been struck by the dark side. Are you alright? Good. Hang in there. You may continue, Nedris.
Ready position.
Watch me, students. Ready position.
Cut to the left shoulder. Cut to the right shoulder. Step back and duck.
Get down.
Stand. Finally, we strike down to the head.
Very nice. Little one, you would aim higher than that. Aim up here.
Reach for
Good.
it.
Pretty good chance whoever fights you is going to be taller than you. Good.
Sabers down.
Sabers down.
All right, students, we're going to put that entire combination together.
The Force is responding. We need more help. Everyone, the Force is strong with you as well. Reach your hand.
Join me or face the power of the dark side.
It's all right, kids. Many of us and only one of him. The balance is in our favor. Kylo Ren. I believe the balance has shifted.
There is no balance, Jedi. The dark side will always be stronger.
On that, we disagree. Students, are we ready to face them?
No. Let's see what you've learned from your teachers.
Nedris, you and Jax take this group down below to take on Kylo Ren.
Yes, Master.
Now, Locke and I will stay up here to face Darth Vader.
If you wish to challenge the dark side,
I do.
so be it.
Kids, remember what you've learned and you will be victorious. Who will go first? All right, you, come. Braver than all the boys. Stand right here.
As you wish.
Finish! Take that light! On the side! Right, one more! Very nice. Saber down. Stand here.
You shall promise. Now, show me your skill.
Here we go. Ready position. Left shoulder. Hit that. Now, hit the other side. Okay, cut to the head. One more. Nice. Now, very powerful. Saber down. Stand right there.
The Force is strong with you,
Ready position.
but you are not a Jedi.
Left shoulder.
Let's go. Hit that. On the side. Down. All right, one more. Yeah, saber down.
Thank you, Jax. Stand here.
You are brave to challenge me.